Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to build a cloud chamber so you can observe the radioactive decay of uranium-238. Check this out. So all I'm using to build my cloud chamber is a clear plastic cup. This is a watch glass, some black construction paper, sticky tack, a sponge, 91% isopropyl alcohol, an electronics duster. I'm going to use the compressed gas inside as a coolant, scissors. This is a lead pig that contains a sample of uranium-238 and some rubber gloves. The first step is to trace the bottom of your cup on a sponge and then cut it out and squeeze that sponge into the bottom of your cup. So here's my sponge cutout, and I am just going to squeeze it down into the bottom of my cup so it looks like that. The next step is to trace black construction paper around your watch glass, and this is going to be attached to the top of your cup. Cut out that circle of construction paper. Next, take your sticky tack and kind of stretch it and put some sticky tack all around the edge of the top of your cup so it's easy to stick to that black paper that you just cut out. And this is going to seal your cup so none of the propanol vapors can escape when it's inverted. So it kind of looks like this. Okay, now you're ready to take 91% isopropyl alcohol and soak the sponge with the alcohol. Okay, now you're ready to put your sample of uranium-238 on the black piece of paper. I put a little bit of sticky tack on it just to hold it in place. This is my sample of uranium-238, and I'm just going to stick it right here in the middle. Now finally you're ready to attach your cup to the paper, and I would press this down so that it's sealed. That way the vapors of alcohol will start to condense over the refrigerant, and you'll see a trail from the radiation that is produced by the uranium-238. So I'm just trying to get this sealed. Okay, now to get the alcohol vapors to condense in my cloud chamber, I'm going to use this compressed air and this electronics duster. I'm just going to invert it. I'm going to spray that air onto the watch glass until I can see a liquid refrigerant. It's nice and cold. And I'm going to put my cup right over it so it starts to cool. So at this point, you can see the uranium ore in the middle of our cup, and the alcohol vapors are serving as the condensation nuclei for alpha particles as they fly away from that uranium as it decays from a uranium-238 into thorium-234. And you can see those little vapor trails from the uranium as alpha particles are being emitted, and the alcohol vapor is condensing around those particles, leaving a trail behind. You can kind of see like a little cloud line. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.